A question I get asked frequently when it comes to filming B-roll is, what do you do if you don't have a lot of footage to work with for a corporate, business, nonprofit client when it comes to filming B-roll to kind of tell their story? And something that I recommend to a lot of aspiring creatives and entrepreneurs and video production folks is ask your client the following question. Do you have any kind of photography that we can use to implement into the video? Now, why is this important? Photos are such a fantastic way for you to not only tell the story of a client, but also be able to film in a way that is unique, it's aesthetic, it's a way that not many people are utilizing. So you do not need to be limited by what the client gives you in regards to on location, because when on location, sometimes you're filming for clients that are in office settings, right? So you don't have a lot to work with when it comes to telling their story. So ask them for photography and then either use that photography in animation, motion graphics, post-production, or what I love to do is what I'm doing here today for one of our clients, Don Hummer Trucking. We're telling their legacy history video, and we're kind of telling how this company came to be over the last several decades of their existence. So they've provided us with amazing historical photos, and what I'm doing here today is using a macro lens and being able to really get in and get some fine detail shots that I'm going to throw up on the screen right now, so you can see how something so simple can look so magnificent. And the final video is going to pull together beautifully when it comes to them talking about their history, their legacy, working with these photos. And by the way, you don't need all this fancy stuff that I'm using right now, because even I started off with the most basic equipment. You can use your phone if you have it, and what I like to do is make sure you have some natural light coming in from behind you or off to the side. And I have a couple of lights set up right now, LED lights with color gels on them, but you can use your phone, natural light, put the photo down and just do some panning movement with your hands, and you'll be surprised with the amazing footage you can get. Thank you so much for watching, and again, reach out if you have any other questions, or let us know how we can be of value to you. If you have questions around small business, corporate, nonprofit, or wedding films and how we produce the stuff that we do at the level that we do, let us know. We would love to help. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon.